welcome to my channel, Yes Tidy World. I figured I would try and declutter some of my jewelry, my sentimental jewelry, that is jewelry that was stashed away in a chest of drawers, and I just could never bring myself to let go of them. But today I decluttered my clothes, and I was a bit stricter with myself and was able to let go of more things than I usually am. So I thought maybe I have more success with this. I don't know why I did that. Let's put it back. Okay, these, I like them because my mom gave them to me at one point, but they're not really my style. I kind of want to keep them, but they're not really my style, and I have other things from my mom that she gifted me that I can remember her by, so I'll ask her if she wants them back. This I think can go. I don't know how I got that. This stone came from a different like chain, like not a chain, basically a kind of a thread, or what should I call it? What is this? Messed up. Okay, I don't know how we got this stone over here, over these, because they're bigger than the hole, as you can see. But I needed some chains, so maybe I can try this on, and then if it's long enough I can take it off and use the chain. So let's put it here. These pearls are pretty. Pearls are pretty. I love this, but I've stopped reaching for it. But I would like a nice pearl necklace, so does it make sense to let go of this and buy a new one? I mean, I have 4 pearls, so maybe I should just wear those. But they're so beautiful. I'm realizing I should probably let go of it if I've stopped reaching for it, isn't it? But I don't know, I'll put it in a maybe pile for now. Then we have this. My grandma gave this to me. And there's something she's done that I don't agree with. And I don't think I need it. I mean, I was gonna put it in the go pile, but I could ask my mom if she would want it to remember her by. These, I made these in high school. Same thing, I like them, but I've stopped reaching for them. Where's the other one? Here. They go on the maybe pile. This can go. I kept it to kind of fix my watch, but that never happened. Same thing. I don't know, it still brings me joy, but at the same time it doesn't, and I've stopped reaching for it. I think I had this in primary school, like it's that old. And I recently bought a new, what's it called? Clear quartz. Which, this is also a clear quartz. And it reminds me of my mom too, because I think she was there when I bought it. And it was one of the first expensive things I bought for a primary school child. It's expensive. This is real silver, the thing. I bought it from a market, a street festival more like. And there were always these North or South Americans selling jewelry. Why isn't this focusing? Okay. But I'll put it in the maybe pile for now because I just can't pull away from it. I think it should go, but I just don't know if I have the courage. Should I do it? I mean, I have a new one now, but it just reminds me of my mom, and I'll put it in the maybe pile for now. This is too small for me. I got it from my grandma. I still love it, but it's small on me. I offered it to my sister and she didn't want it. It's not her style. So I'm gonna put it in the go pile. This I actually tried off on camera. I tried on off camera. I tried on off camera. It's an anklet and it just about still fits. I got this from Pakistan. I don't remember who gave it to me. Maybe my husband's older sister. Like the older of the two sisters, not older than him. But anyway, who cares? But yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. This is my keep pile. Then this one I want to keep. It's too tight for my neck now, but my mom gave me this and I always thought it was so beautiful. I felt rich wearing this because it just looks like diamonds. So I think I'll hold on to that. I mean, if I have this to remember her by, I don't really need this one, do I? But I don't know. I might pull this back out of here, but I think it's time. Then we have this. Reminds me of an ex-boyfriend, which I don't need to be reminded of, but at the same time it's also so beautiful and I've just stopped reaching for it, I think, but it's so pretty. I put it in the maybe pile. Yeah, and I'll put this in the maybe pile too. And then we have this. This one I still love. I got this from my grandma. They were like, I don't know what you call it, but it had this little pin to, I forgot what you call them, but it broke off, so I put it into a hanging earring so I could keep wearing it. But now the other one has disappeared, so if I only have one, and it's just not the same, it just always reminds me that it's broken and can go on the go pile, sadly. And then I have this that I just can't make up my mind on. It still fits because it's adjustable. I think I also offered it to my sister. I can't remember, but she probably didn't want it. Probably. I can't speak. Yeah. I'm just gonna put in the maybe pile for now because I just can't keep up can't make up my mind. So, oh, we forgot one thing. This one. Open sesame. Go on, open. I have to do it off camera. There we go. I love this. It brought me so much joy. I always imagined it was Arwen's ring from Lord of the Rings. It was so beautiful, but you can see how old it's looking. And this hole I filled with nail polish because the strass stone was missing. Maybe I could take the diamond out. I don't know. I'll also put it in the maybe pile because it still brings me so much joy, but it's old, so I should let it go, shouldn't I? So I think I'll leave the maybe things in there and wait till I'm ready to declutter them or know better what I want to do with them, and then bring this stuff to Charity and ask my mom if she wants these. I might think about it a bit off camera and see if I can declutter anymore, but I don't want to bore you and it will probably take me a long time to decide, so I just don't want to bore you, so I'll just do that alone. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Even though I only decluttered a few items, I got further than I have got before with this sentimental jewelry stuff. So yeah, I'm glad I did it. And I hope you liked this video. Please remember to like the video if you liked it. And consider subscribing if you enjoy decluttering content. And I'll hopefully see you the next time I upload. Thanks for watching. Bye!